It is also always important to remember that in any situation, officer safety is always number one. Conduct all inspections with you and your officer's safety always in mind. Fully document all actions in your incident reports or your daily activity reports, DARs, arrest reports, and the use of force reports. This simple procedure has saved many security officers from civil and criminal litigation, false claims, as well as it protects the suspects equally. Remember to never lower your guard. Even a handcuffed suspect could still be dangerous. You can still be kicked or bitten. Escort the suspect, leaning them a little backwards towards you. This helps keeps the person handcuffed off balance and gives you the advantage. If the suspect is struggling and is resisting, try to keep the suspect off balance. Yank the suspect backwards by the arms or center of handcuffs. Pull until they fall backwards onto their buttocks, remaining in control by holding their upper arms. Do not lean the suspect forward. This can cause severe injury to the suspect.